genARate consists of several parts. On the left side, you see the genARate Studio. So this is the web-based environment that helps you to create AR experiences. It's a content management system, so to say, where you link an image that is printed in a brochure or in a magazine, and you link that image with some additional digital content which you can overlay and position relative to that printed content. And the consumption of these experiences is can be done via the genARate app. So there is a genARate app in the stores available, in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. And you can leverage the phone to scan then some printed material, and you will see the digital overlay that you have created in the genARate Studio. And besides the official genARate app, it is also possible to get some custom branded apps, which are more or less a copy of the genARate app, but they are branded with the customer's logo, with the naming of the customer, with the colors of the customer. So they are customized based on the corporate identity of a company. And the third way is that Konica Minolta is also offering an SDK, which means if a customer already has an existing app, then he can integrate the genARate functionality into his existing app. And of course, there is a very powerful backend that stores all the content, manages the image recognition, and manages the communication between the app and the content management system.